Well, hello, this is Jeff Little, and we're going to look at serving tags in Arena. So, in our web browser, we're going to navigate to arena.solidlives.com. Once you're there, you'll see your login page. Your login is generally your first and last name, no space, and capitals on both. Enter your password, and we'll sign in. Here on the left, you'll see a sidebar, and we want to go to Tags, and down to Serving Tags. So since I'm part of the Corona English campus, I'll select Corona English. And let's see, Corona English Worship and Creative Arts, one of the teams I serve on. I'll make it easy, and I'm in the band. So we'll click on Band. And then we'll go to Occurrences, this tab right here. You'll see every week that we've had a service, got lots of them. Let's say January 21st. I've already entered my number, so you'll see a 4 here, but let's go to the band and apply filter. Now these are all the people that are currently scheduled in our band, and so you'll see I've already entered them this week. Albert served, Jeff served, Jay served, and Adrian served. God bless those guys. That's great. And so once you check mark these things, you can select or deselect, and you'll see that little loading thing that happens. That's the software saving as you do it real time. So once you click here on the software, it's already done. You can close this screen and you're good to go. On your mobile device, we want to navigate to arena.solidlives.com. And here at the login page, of course, you'll enter your regular credentials, first name, last name, both capitals at the beginning, no space, and your password. Here at the home screen, we want to click on those 3 lines at the top left. Navigate to Tags and Serving Tags. And then we'll want to scroll down and find our congregation. Again, Corona English. It's a place to be. Scrolling down again, we'll find a list of ministries assigned to you. And so here, Corona English Worship and Creative Arts. We'll select that. And now we have to go down and find inside that category, I want the band. So Worship and Creative Arts Band, you'll see we're taken to that page. And here on the left, we'll have to click More and click on Occurrences. Does it click with your finger? We'll select Occurrences. And scrolling down, we'll go to the week that we want. Let's say January 21st here at the top. And we'll select Band under Name. And then we'll push that Apply Filter button. And this gives us everyone who's listed in that ministry. And as you can see, as I select or deselect those checkboxes, the software updates and we're good to go. Lastly, I wanted to tell you a cool trick. On your iPhone at least, you can select that little square with the arrow at the bottom and then press Add to Home Screen. And you'll find that you can give it whatever name you like. I like to keep them tight. So just Arena, Add at the top right. And what it does is it goes and it places the new app on your phone. And so you can have that there, and it's easy access. And that way you can just select it with one click instead of having to type in the URL. Well, I hope this was all helpful to you, and may you have great success in registering your team members every week in the serving tags in Arena. God bless you.